Hi guys, this is Suzanne with Sweet Tea and Whimsy. Today I would like to share with you a haul that I got. As I've mentioned in a couple of my earlier videos, I love to play with jewelry. I like to buy old jewelry and costume jewelry, pieces that may be broken, and create something new. I love to purchase new beads and string bead jewelry and make bead jewelry. I'll be sharing some of those pieces with you in the near future, and perhaps even a video of making some beaded jewelry. Now, do not get me wrong. I am not an expert. I am not a jeweler. I am not even a semi-professional. I'm just someone who loves pretty beads and costume jewelry and jewelry in general. So if you're watching in the future to learn the professional techniques or to learn how to expertly make jewelry, I'm not your gal. But if you would like to watch some videos just for fun, which that is what this one is today. It is just a fun video to let you see some of the pretty beads that I actually got on sale for 75% off. So I'm like you guys, 75% off makes me happy. So I've got this big tray of beautiful beads in this wonderful little basket, by the way, that I thrifted for $1. Don't you love it? Love it. But let's get started looking at some of these beads. The first beads are these adorable little parrot beads. Look at those. Aren't those precious? Here are some adorable little chicken beads. I think that I've got to get out my junk journal and write down some thoughts on what I want to do with these beads, because my brain is just spinning. I have so many ideas on how I want to put these together. This is just some round beads that are red with white polka dots. And here are some adorable little mushroom beads. Here are some blue starfish beads. Very pretty. While we're looking at those, here are some yellow starfish beads. Here are some silver starfish beads. Oh, look at these. Some little red hot peppers. And these are glass beads. Very cute, aren't they? Okay, here's for my kitty lovers. Little kitty beads. Aren't they precious? Some pretty owl beads. Look here, some cute little ladybug beads. Some fish beads. Look at these little flip-flop beads. I think I have some more of those little flip-flop beads. Well, I guess I have even some more. Here's a different color on the fish beads. I love these two. glass round blue beads. Some stone white beads. These are very pretty, which would look good with these and the next two that I'm sharing. Very pretty natural colors. And some very pretty shell beads. A lot of you may remember these. We used to always come home with some shell necklaces when we would leave the beach. And these are very pretty shells. Very pretty natural colors. And that is all. So I have a great big stash of wonderful beads that I can get started making some great jewelry. A lot of this will make some wonderful summertime jewelry. Some of these, the owls and the chickens, will be good jewelry for the fall. And these natural stones will also be good for the fall. I'm just so excited about these wonderful beads. And again, they were 75% off. So girls like their deals, and this was a good one. So if you would like to watch a video on me doing a simple piece of jewelry, leave me a comment below. And if you make jewelry, please share that with me in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. I would love to talk to you and get to know what you like and what you enjoy. So that's all for today, guys, from Sweet Tea and Whimsy. I hope you have a great afternoon. Thank you.